Next presentation is about the project of the rehabilitation and expansion of the water networks of the Balqa Gov. Thank you very much for the the introduction. My name is Kawa from the Dai Nippon. So let me explain about the project. So this project is an ODA grant aid project with the Water Authority of Jordan, and the client. The project was designed and supervised by Tokyo Design Office and constructed by us. Jordan is located in the Middle East and West Asia, approximately 9,300 kilometers west of Tokyo, and border Israel, Palestine, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, and Syria. And 80% of the country is desert, and the climate is harsh, with the temperature exceed 40 Celsius in summer and sub-zero in winter. So the area we covered is that the altitude from 500 to 1,000 meters, and also the population is exceeding 100,000 due to the increase of the refugees. So then the needs of the water supply is a very important needed action. So by utilizing the Japanese technology in various areas, we actually proceed this project. So for example, there are lots of challenges, but the propulsion work, for example, Japanese propulsion equipment is actually acquired because it is difficult to get in locally. And also in several locations, we have to handle the very complicated infrastructure already there to avoid the trouble, and also not to damage them while our project work. So with the excellent expertise of the technician and engineers, we actually successfully overcome some of the challenges. For the ductile handling, we never have the leak to complete the work. And also water supply area, the branches we have to make from the major water supply to the Amman, we also need a careful the coordination. And the existing pipe is actually under pressure of the 25 bar. Therefore, the local equipment didn't meet that harsh condition to work out. Therefore, we get the equipment also from Japan. And accordingly, we can actually successfully complete the work without delay as scheduled. And also, as for the environment or the landscape we have to work out, sometimes have very hard the plate and soft soil layers. So we invited experts from Japan to provide the training for the local people, and after the conducting training, we worked out and worked together for the construction. And also, we implemented several safety measures to make sure that the lightness of the place and also the security of the workplace in ground and also the water conditions. And also try to avoid several the accidents due to the electricity leakage and so forth. For the supply for the tank car for the water and other measures are separately in parallel taken. And also, we implemented several other measures, like the visual sort of instruction for the water supply location, and also some cautions are actually visually shown as a sign. By doing so, we actually implemented the OJT and enhanced the level of the expertise of the local workers. And well, we completed 12 projects in 20 years in the past. And this long years of success is due to the great success of the information collection, very much based on the local basis, and also good understanding of the local location and environment to select the best partner for each project. In other words, the success of this project is due to the great collaboration and understanding of the clients, embassy, and governments and relevant third parties. So once again, I'd like to say thank you to all of them. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for the presentation.